We are ready to add our cover, so let's talk about that process. We have 2 cover pieces and a spine. What we're going to do is attach the spine first. Place it around the binding part here, and then add each cover piece on top of it. So first, let's start with cutting. We need to cut the cover in the middle and separate it into 2 pieces. I'm going to align it on the cutting board and cut it in half. Now we have 2 parts that we can use for this process. We're going to add one on each side of the journal. So first, let's start by adding the spine. We have 2 options again. We can use liquid glue, or we can use double-sided tape. Today, I'm going to work with double-sided tape. I'm adding it close to the edges, making sure I'm placing it on the spine side and not onto the pages. Now, let's remove the backing paper from the tape. I know I want the spine to sit somewhere in the middle, and I'm not going to fold it until I'm ready to glue it. The same goes for the other side. Don't crease the spine fold until you're ready to attach everything. First, let's place it. Then I'm going to fold it this way and glue it onto this side. Now we have it attached on both sides, and we can add our cover pieces here, right on top of it. I'm going to add this one and align it. You can choose which side of the cover you'd like to use for the front, this side or the other one. I think I'll use this one here, and the other piece on the back. I'm just making sure I'm using the correct side, and that it isn't upside down, making sure I'm not missing anything. Then I'm going to place it here and gently press it down. Perfect. We now have one side attached, and now we can add the back using the same process. Just make sure everything is facing the right direction. And now we have our front, our back, and our journal ready to be embellished.